hello, namaste. Welcome to Lovely TV. This is Hasni. Before that, happy Diwali to the viewers and happy Diwali to you, sir.
Same to you and happy Diwali to all the viewers here.
Today we'll talk about how Vastu will help get best out of Diwali so we can attract health, wealth and prosperity. Please watch this video till the end as we also give this special tip how to improve your health as per the Vastu on this Diwali. So this is gonna tell you by Mr. Mayank. Mayank Buddhiraja is a scientific Vastu consultant as he trained under the best consultant in the country and he's serving his clients from past 10 years in India as well as in abroad. Now get into the video. Hi sir.
Hello.
How are you?
All good.
So please give some details on Diwali date, puja and timings of this year.
Okay. Diwali is one of the most precious and auspicious event for a Hindu calendar. And this year, 2021, we'll be celebrating Diwali on 4th of November. The time starts, Amavasya time starts from 6:03 a.m. and the Amavasya ends 5th of November, that is next day, early morning 2:44 a.m. Other than this, all the Muhurats and the auspicious timings to conduct the pujas are there in the description box. You can read the description.
So how to attract wealth and money on Diwali?
So today I'll be giving certain tips how you can do the puja in an effective way so that the puja or the rituals, whatever you're performing, it gives you the maximum benefits. So as per Vastu, the first thing is you need to perform the puja in particular direction. Number one is either in the west, second one is in the northeast, the Ishan Kon, what we say. See, Diwali, we wish to achieve a lot, and the zone of wish is the west, the space element, and west belongs to the space element. So whatever affirmations, whatever wishes you are trying to have, try to make it in the western part of your house so that it reaches the universe directly. Few things as per Vastu in your puja and the ritual part which will help you boost the puja. So first one is Swatik Shri Yantra. So Swatik is a material, it is next to transparent, a whitish material, and it is found to be one of the purest material for puja. So you can have Swatik Shri Yantra. Just put it on a plate of rice, put a swastik with turmeric, haldi se aap bana sakte hain. Put it a swastik, and on that, at the center of the swastik, install your Swatik Shri Yantra. Second, you can have Swatik Ganesh ji and Lakshmi ji's idol. Some people tend to purchase new idols every Diwali. So you can also purchase this time for Swatik Shri Yantra, Swatik Lakshmi ji as well as Swatik Ganesh ji. The third one is the brass Kuber. So you can install this idol of Lord Kuber, the Lord of Wealth, on the Dhanteras. Along with this, you can also install Kuber Kunji or the Kuber key, what we say. Then we have the Kamal Gatte Mala, the brown color beads, the Kamal Gatte ki Mala. This is quite popular and it is favorite of goddess Lakshmi. So you can install it while having your puja. Next, a very important thing is the south facing stones or the Dakshinavarti Shankh. This is a favorite product of Lord Vishnu and it also attracts goddess Lakshmi. So Dakshinavarti Shankh is a special item for Diwali. Everyone must install this in your place. You just put it in the thali while doing the puja and it brings a lot of auspicious things. Then a special tip for the Dhanteras is it is a must you buy a new broom. The more clean your house is, it attracts goddess Lakshmi to come to your house. This is what it is believed in our system. Then we have the kaudis. The kaudis are specially used in Diwalis and you can put it in the deepak or the deepams and also in the puja you can put it. These are the things if you put while performing your puja, it creates a lot of good impact and you can expect good results from this puja also.
Can the above things can be kept in the office, home and factory?
Yes, the same things you can keep in your home as well as your factory or your offices. It is not necessary you keep all of them. Whatever you can manage, you can.
So can we perform Homam on Diwali?
Yes, generally people do perform Homam on Diwali. Not all of them, but many of them do perform. And Singh Lagna, in the Singh Lagna, if you perform this Homam, it is very auspicious. Singh Lagna is generally towards the end of Diwali, that is the night hours.
So on this auspicious day, most of the people do black magics and throw some things on the road. When we step onto it, we'll get some negative impact. So how to get rid of that?
Okay, yes, people are scared of this thing, and some people notoriously they do perform these kind of things, black magic and this kind of thing, and then they throw things on the roads and all these things, so that whatever is the negative energy, it goes to them. So as per Vastu, how you can save yourself is, number one, the south of southeast, that is the area between the south and the southeast. Make sure this is free of Vastu. This is zone of power and confidence. The more power and confidence you have, things will not affect you very much. Then you can take bath these days with rock salt.
Yes.
Put a spoon of rock salt in your bucket and take a bath normally. You can also keep rock salt in glass containers like bowl or glasses, and put it around 3 to 4 corners of your house. This is a very good and a natural absorber of negative energy.
Sir, how to improve health during Diwali days as per Vastu?
Okay, to improvise health, we need to take care of north of northeast. And during Diwali days, you can install a brass idol of Lord Dhanvantri, or you can also install just a picture of Lord Dhanvantri, the god of Ayurveda. So you can put it in the north of northeast, and Lord Dhanvantri was one of the output of the Samudra Manthan. And this is the reason why on Dhanteras, people do perform puja for Lord Dhanvantri, so that the health of the complete family is sustained and they improvise.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for
You're
spending
welcome.
your time with us. For personal Vastu remedies and consultation, you can contact to the below number. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. If you like this video, you can like, share and subscribe to our channel.